Hey guys, it is Mr. Ensminger. Quick little video here showing you a demo of the two programs you're making for your graded programs this week. For the first one, you are going to make an array of labels that are white, and I think these are either 50 by 50, 100 by 100. Obviously it does not really matter a great deal, just make squares. You're going to make white backgrounds with black foregrounds. The text is going to be aligned in the center, and your font is going to be maybe a little bit larger. Make certain that you do all these things so that it looks basically like what I have here. You're also going to have a label in the far right side, and this is going to be part of your design. It's not going to be created through the code. This is going to be created through your code. This must be an array. This cannot just be 25 buttons that you make. What you do then is every time you click a button, it disappears, so the visible becomes false, and it adds it to the total over here. So I clicked on 9, so therefore it's 9. I click on 4, that goes away, and I get 13, 14, 18, 20, and so on. And does anything happen when I click all the buttons? The answer, and I know that you're waiting for this, is no, nothing. So 5 by 5 grid, numbers, white background, black foreground, centered text. Click on them, they visible will become false. You add them to the total in this label box in the top right. So that is program number 1. I know it's program number 2, but it's supposed to be program number 1. Then the other one, which says program number 1, it doesn't really matter what order you do these in. You're going to make a 10 by 10 array also of labels, and they're going to be squares, so feel free to make them whatever size, 50 by 50, 75 by 75, 100 by 100, whatever you need to fit it in. And what's going to happen is when you do a mouse enter, it's going to make the background color a random RGB value. So I'm not clicking, I'm just touching, touch, and as I move it around, they change color. If I go into the same one, they change to a different color because it is entirely random RGB color. So again, you're making a 10 by 10 array in the code, and every time you put your mouse over top of something, so enter, mouse enter, you are going to change the RGB value. Best of luck. These are due by Sunday at midnight, 11:59 technically. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.